Hello guys, so my name is Arav and back to my channel. So now what we are doing, we are going to solve all these questions, okay? I think how many questions we are having? So basically I think we are having many questions, right? Let us count, okay? First let me count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, so we have 18 questions of here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions here. So we are overall having 24 pyqs, and our exam date is on 27th of July 2025. So now, and today is 10th of July. So basically what we are going to do, right, we are going to solve all these questions, 24 pyq questions along with the Hindi questions. But first we will do the first paper, means the first part of it is, that is Saman Adhyan, okay? And similarly, once it is getting completed, we will move to Hindi one. So let's start for the discussion. So see, I will be going each and every question slowly and updating it. But yes, see, I will be using Google in front of you, thinking like a noob and checking how it is being going to done. Okay, so the boiling point of the first question, the boiling point of the water decreases with increase in altitude. So as altitude increases, pressure decreases. And now what is happening, if pressure decreases, then boiling point will also decrease. So what is mentioned here, the boiling point of water decrease with increase in altitude, which is correct. The atmospheric pressure increase with altitude, no, it decreases with altitude. So the first is right. Now which of this is not in Afghanistan? So if it is not in Afghanistan, see, Kandahar is not in, means it is in Afghanistan, so this will be getting eliminated. And Ghazni is in Afghanistan, so it will be also getting eliminated. So here we will be having the clear-cut answers. The two options which are in Afghanistan, means it's not in Afghanistan, is Faragana and Samarkand. So when you will see, right, where is Faragana and where is Samarkand? So Samarkand you will find somewhere in Uzbekistan. Okay, Samarkand is in Uzbekistan, and Faragana will be somewhat here only. Okay, so see, when you will see Kandahar, Kandahar is here in Afghanistan, Ghazni is here, Bamiyan is here, Kabul is here. So these are the known places of Afghanistan, but Samarkand and Faragana is not in Afghanistan, it is mostly in Uzbekistan. So yes, we got the answer, that only 2 and 3, means 2 and 4 are correct. So we got it. Now coming to the chronological order of the Sultans of Sayyid dynasty. Sultans of Sayyid dynasty. When you say Sultan of Sayyid dynasty, we have a trick, right? That, what is the trick? Kheer Mubarak ho Muhammad Alam. Kheer Mubarak ho Muhammad Alam. Okay. Kheer Mubarak ho Muhammad Alam is the trick for the Sayyid dynasty. And what is for the last dynasty? So last dynasty, we have Sikandar Lodi and all. So we have a Baha Sakka idhar se. That is for the Lodi dynasty. Now coming to the Sayyid dynasty, we have the say Kheer Mubarak ho Muhammad Alam. So the first is Kheer. So Sir Kheer Mubarak ho Muhammad Alam. So it's basically what is 1324, 1324, 1324. So it is C. So it is also correct. Now let's move into the next question. So we have done with two questions, right? So we are moving with two questions. This is 10. 3 is 10. So let's move to the fourth one. Now the fourth one is, what it is saying, that a voltage of 15 volt is applied across the color coded carbon resistors with resistor with first, second, third ring as brown, green and yellow colors. What is the current flowing through the resistor? Now see, when you will see this, right, see, you need to have the color coding, or at least have some idea about the color coding. So see, basically in color coding, right, black is denoted with 0 multiplier. Okay, and brown is 1, red 2, and orange 3. So see, let's go. It's brown, so brown is 1, brown is 1, green is 5, green is 5, and multiplier is 1. So we have a total of 15 ohms. So how many current will be flowing? 15 divided by 15, it is equal to 1 ohm. How it is possible? V is equal to IR. But firstly remember, brown is 1, red is 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5. Okay, so means there is a kind of trick to remember the green one. See, green has how many words? Green has 5 words, so make it as 5. Okay, just to remember it. See, black is 0, so what is the color? Means less shaded than black, so it is brown, right? So black is, if black is 0, brown is 1, and we have a trick for green, so I think 115 is good. Now if you want to run, red is 2 and orange is 3, so like here, and I think yellow is 4, right? So we have a trick like this, and let us assume that if we are writing the VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR, okay, fine, 2 3 4. So here it is a trick for this also, that if red is 2, orange is 3, yellow is 3, so and it is 5, so from here we can get a color coding. So the VIBGYOR trick works here. Okay, in fact 7 6 5 4 3 2, it is in this order, in the VIBGYOR order only. So guys, you can see how the color coding is working here. I just mentioned it here. So 7 6 5, so I think we are indigo is not there. Okay, fine. Okay, got it. See, VIB, as you remember, green has 5, it is 6 4 3 2, 1 is brown, 0 is black. So in this way we have done. Okay, so pretty much interesting. Something I will learn, something you will learn, and in this way we can complete this whole PYQ sections. Okay, now consider the following types of erosion, which in terms will be causing a most of the soil loss. So let's see. Okay, so if we are having a soil loss, then what does it mean? We are means the amount of soil will be getting splashed, right? So in this, see, if we have a splash, okay, then we have the splash means theta. So we have a less, then we have a what to say, splash is there, then I think something what rill and sheet, and then see, splash, sheet, rill, and gully. You see, when you will see in this gully, right, a large amount of this is going. So minimum will be splash because it is a cheetah kind of thing, right? So cheetah, so this is will be the first, and gully will be the last. So I think we are good with our answers. Okay, see, yeah, 1 and 4. So I think we got it right. Sheet is something about a less, and really something about more. So this is also correct. Now we will be moving to next questions. Consider the following statement with reference to the Attorney General. So if we say the Attorney General, what is the article number? So article number is 76, right? He holds the pleasure during the pleasure of Prime Minister. No, it's President, correct? Now what is it? He is not entitled to be the member. He is not entitled to the privileges of member of parliament. No, it is also wrong, right? He is entitled to the prime means the because he acts like the member of parliament. So when you will see the article 76, article have the audience in all court in territory of India to the president and shall receive as amended 9, but is appointed, and who is appointed as a judge of the court to be the president shall appoint. So here one thing more, who will be appointing as the Attorney General. So it is the Judge of the Supreme Court. Judge of Supreme Court. And what is the criteria for the Judge of the Supreme Court? Anybody, if in the chat box you are remembering, then let me know. But yes, so this is the Judge of the Supreme Court, and whether if I recollect it correctly, he should have bare minimum of 10 years of experience. Then yes, I don't remember it correctly, but I think 10 years of the practice and all, and apart from that, it will be having. Let us go Chrome it now. So let us Chrome it. So qualification of Supreme Court judge, when you will see, so what it is telling: citizen of India, judge of any high court for at least 5 years, advocate in high court or in succession. So this we will doing it and pasted it there. So yes, the 10 year was correct only, but it is for the, if he's practicing it in the lower court, not in the higher court. So from here you can have a view that what it is saying. Okay, so 6 is also correct. Now moving to 7, what it is saying: the the reason of swimming pool appears to be less deep. So it is a refraction. It is a pretty much simple one. So this is a session reasoning question where we are talking about the five eyes. So it is basically the countries which share the intelligence, and all the G7 countries. If you remember the G7 countries, right? So all the G7 countries, not G7 countries. No, my mistake. It is not the G7 countries, but here the countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand share their intelligence to each other. So, but I am not sure that it is a G7 countries or not. Let us see. Okay, five eyes countries. So when you will see the five eyes countries, right? So, it is a New Zealand. So yes, correct. These are the five eyes countries. So means it is correct only. In G7, New Zealand is not there, right? So it is not all the G7 countries. So let's move from here, and five eyes countries are this. So it is Canada, US, then Australia, New Zealand, and then we have a last UK. So this is also correct. Now pulses included in the intergrowing which cells act as a complementary growth. I think it is correct. Pulses with taproot do not compete for nutrient and moisture with cereals having fibrous system. So it is also correct only, right? It is correct. Now moving to the next one. This is the activity. So we have a means mnemonics that eat per notch. Okay, so it is in the same manner they got discovered. So eat per notch, and the last is will be the Higgs boson or my boson. So yes, it will be the last 132 is correct. So 352 C will be the correct answer. Now moving to the next question: the struggles in the South African people. This is also correct, and this is also correct. So what it is? Both A and C are the correct explanation. So what it is asking, saying the militancy of the Indians in South Africa, Gandhiji was convinced that the Indian people would be ready for militant struggles and rise for a cause. Yeah, means he got an idea, right? So moving to the 12th number, we have a simple SI question. So it will be getting resolved here. So now I think this is D is for 4, that is for sure. D is for 4. Yes. So basically it is asking for the this one. Jaya Singh was this. but today I think he has been changed. Manoj Nath, Tales of Banana, and Sri Chaitanya. So it is a common question which we will be able to solve. Now coming to this one, right? The arid forest. So see, we will go with the logic, not with the arid. Arid will be can be in Jodhpur, right? So arid can be in Jodhpur because the desert areas are the arid area. So it can be in Jodhpur. It is we cannot neglect this option. So this is correct. Himalayan Forest and Research Institute. This is also correct because hilly areas and this is correct. Rainforest Research. Jorhat. Where is Jorhat? Okay, I don't know. We will check. And now tropical research forest. So tropical forest research. So when you will see, yes, tropical. When you will see tropical, right? Tropical and rainforest. Where is Jorhat? Let us see where is Jorhat. Now let's go with the rain, with the forest area. Where are the rainforest available? It is in Assam only. So it is correct. Tropical forest. Where it is? Where will be the tropical areas in? So it will be in the middle. So it is in Jabalpur. This is also correct. Himalayan forest. Do Himalayan region? Uh, See, I will let you know how this has been got eliminated. See, there are only two regions in Uttarakhand which are in the plain areas. Okay, but it is saying Himalayan forest. So if in Dehradun there is no Himalayan plains, then how the Himalayan Research Center will be in Dehradun? So it is wrong. It is in Simla. Okay, it is in Simla. So from here we can say it that it is in Simla, Himachal. So this is correct. Now, which are the following is correct about the osmosis and everything? So if the semi-permeable membrane is placed between the solvent and solution, the solvent molecules which will flow through the membrane from pure solvent to the solution. So I think it is correct, right? Semi-permeable. So see, let us suppose we placed a resin, means kishmish, over this. Okay. Now here it is a solution. It is a solution, and here it is a solute, right? Pure solute, pure water. So through membrane, if the semi and this is a semi-permeable membrane, so this is also right. Is placed between the solvent and the solution. The solvent molecules will flow through the membrane from pure solvent to the solution. So this is correct, I think. The the process flow of solvent is called as reverse osmosis. No, it is only osmosis, not reverse osmosis. If we apply some pressure to move this thing to outside, then it is the solvent, means the reverse osmosis. So this is what it is telling, right? So I think we are good till here. I think this is the current question which we need to ignore. Now uh, we will be moving to the 17th number question, where it is saying the CR out the eminent statistician passed away recently. Ustad Ali Zakir Khan passed recently, Vindeshwari Pathak passed away recently, and MS Swaminathan passed away recently. So when did Swaminathan pass? I think in September, right? So this is a pretty much current based question, so we can ignore it. Now consider the following events of seed multiplication stages and arrange this in the chronological from the earliest stage to the last. So see, if you see what developed first, nucleus, right? So it will be the first. I don't know, but yeah, it will be the first. So if it will be the first, anything above the nucleus, so 4 will be the first option. So here the 4 will be the first option. So all options got eliminated. Now moving to the next one. India is the largest producer of jute in the world. It is correct, right? India's jute production is increased due to yellow production. No, Messi. Yellow production was for something different, right? Let us read it. Okay, it first is true and second is false. Okay, okay, fine. So various types of revolutions are there, right? So let us copy it. Don't worry. So we have a list of revolutions. So when you will see the yellow revolution, right? So where is the yellow revolution? Yellow revolution is for wall seat. Okay. And what is for the jute? Jute is a golden fiber. Got it right? So let us paste it so that when we will be doing, see, first we are doing a long session, and then once we are equipped with the thing, we will be having the the we will be moving quick, very quick. Okay, so here the golden fiber is jute and yellow revelation is wild seed. Okay, so this is also good. Now let's move. I think this is the very much uh, current based question. We will ignore this. Now x% of y, this is also pretty much easy, right? So it will be what it is, x. So let us solve it. Means if you don't want to solve, no worries, but I will solve. X% of y is equal to y% of, let us suppose a. Okay, so a is equal to x into y by 100 divided by y into 100. So this equal to x k, x के बराबर होता है, right? So a is equal to x, a is equal to x. No, correct, this is correct only. Now what it is asking, that during the winter season the most part of India is dry. Almost correct. Most of the country are under the influence of the northeast trade wind during the winter season. Not means the northeast trade winds. No, I don't think so. Means we will see. We will see. We will discuss these questions thoroughly. Okay. What are the winds? What are not the wind? Trade winds in India. Duration. Trade winds in India and its durations. Okay. So when we will check, right? See. Northeast trade wind. I think see, northeast trade wind. Now let's means most of the country are under the influence of northeast trade wind during the winter season. No, Baba. See, in northeast, some part is only getting affected, right? Not the whole part. These parts only are in effect of this. So I think this is wrong, right? But what it is saying, सर्दी के मौसम में भारत का अधिकांश शुष्क रहता है, हालांकि हल्की बारिश पश्चिमी विक्षोभ के कारण केवल उत्तरी भारत में होती है। वहीं शीत ऋतु के दौरान तटीय होने के कारण अधिकांश, हाँ सी, when in winter, which will be fall, in winter India receives rainfall from, so from where does the India receives rainfall, right? So it is basically the western disturbances. Okay, so let us go. Okay, let us go to PMFIS and we will see. We will see. So you got it right. Everything. Oh, and you will see what it is happening, right? So you got everything correct. If not, I will draw some of the things and which you will be. So it is the western disturbances, not the the northeast monsoon thing. So we are good with this. Now moving to the dance forms. Okay, so we are in 23rd number question, and I think pretty much slow, but we need to buckle up and do the things fast. Okay, yeah, this is a new tool which I also discovered now only, but yeah. So Bharatnatyam, I think it is in Kerala or Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, okay. Kuchipudi, 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 Andhra Pradesh, Satariya, Satariya, Assam, and Kathak, Tamil Nadu. Got it right. So let us dance form in India. Dance form in India, UPSC. So when you will see the diagrams, see this is pretty much confusing, and I'm not sure that you will be able to get it or not. But yes, this is pretty much good. When you will see the Indian dance form, right? This was a good diagram. Where it is? So it is from the classical transform, not from anywhere else. So we are pretty much good with it, right? So this is my whole khajana thing. Means we work very hard every day. Every day we will see what I am going to do now. We will be giving each and every PDF so that you don't have to struggle this much as we are struggling. So to get each and every answer. So when you will see, right, so set area is for Assam. So but market of set area is for Assam, Manipur. This we will get Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu, Mohiniyattam, and Kathakali. So see, one of my lead was there. So her water due to this Kathakali and Kathak, it's Uttar Pradesh. So yes, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, set area Assam, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Bharatnatyam, Tamil Nadu. So, circular dance form of Uttar Pradesh is asking, it is a dance form in our region of Uttar Pradesh. In this dance, the yield women balancing a large multitudinal song. So basically, I think the D only 2 is correct. Other region I am not sure it is happening or not. So Bajra region में होते हैं, ठीक है? So it is in the Bajra region. Braj, the region of Lord Krishna. Oh, see. If you have opened your head, rise Krishna, Braj, Vrindavan. So all are in same. So it is not in the Awadh, it is in the Braj region. Okay. Now, so if the 25th of October is Thursday, the Monday in this month. So see, calendar we will do separately, and after this lecture, right, in the reasoning section I will upload the calendar one. So in that we can check that how the calendar is being happening. So see, there are, I think, how many questions is there? I think there are many questions. 100 plus, no, there are more than 100 questions. So I think there are 150 or 120, 150 questions. Okay. So at one stretch, so there is 140 questions. So at one stretch, it is not possible to cover all the questions as the videos will be getting long. So what we will do, right? We will split the questions and say how many, 140. So it should be basically covering in 3 videos. Okay. So 50 50 50 will be our target. So in 3 videos we will be getting the UPPCS ARO 2023 paper will completing. Okay. So we are 26, 25 more to go, then we will leave, and then I will upload other video of 50 questions, and then this way we can manage everything. So let's go with the other questions. So what it is happening, the northern let me the northern slopes of the Himalayas have a thicker northern slopes of the Himalayas covered with, no, I think it is wrong, right? The southern slopes of the Himalayas is more rainfall than the northern slopes. Yes, it is correct. So first is fall and this and true. So this is correct only. So I will let you know because why it is happening. Northern slopes of the Himalayas have a thicker vegetation. Northern slopes and southern slopes. No, when you will see right here, if it is Himalaya, if it is the Himalayas here, when you will see the Himalayas, let us suppose it is so KLZPD. So Karakoram, Ladakh, these are the dry states. Okay, so first question will be wrong only. Thicker vegetation, no, it is, and it is correct. So A is false and R is true. Now let's go to the different one. Raja Baba Mohan was the editor of Sambat Kumbhani weekly. So it is true. His articles condemning the customs of window burning in an article. So it is true only. So I think A will be the correct option. Right. So 1890, just mention it, okay? 1821. So do you remember, guys, that he published a Persian newspaper as well, right? So what's the that Persian newspaper name? So if anybody knows, just comment it, okay? Is it Mirat, something called Mirat ul something kind of thing? Please comment it, okay, guys? So now moving to the 28th one. So when you will see how you will remember, so everything is blank, right? You are not remembering anything, that what is Fulutul Slatin, Flutut Firoz, Flutut Tarike Firoz, and Khaziul Fudut. So please go to your basics. I think it is Lucent, okay. In that, one table is there. So this is the table in which everything is there, and to your surprise, nothing comes beyond this, okay. Nothing comes beyond this table. Nothing comes beyond this table. Nothing is nothing, okay. Kitabul Rihla, Fatatul Futut. So see, tahqiq hind, I will just reiterate it for you guys, okay. tahqiq hind, al buruni, tabah, siraj, laila majnu, amir, khaj, khajin, khajin futut, futu, futu. See, I will let you know, whenever there is futu, right? Futu, 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 futuh, 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 futahat, futu, futu. Okay, I think this will not work now, but let's. Khajin, तुगलकनामा, मुफासिर, फतवा. फतवा, बड़ा, फतवा समथिंग, बड़ा, बड़ा जान से फतवा जारी किया, बड़ा जान से फतवा जारी किया. So it is a जियादुन बरीनी. Then तारीख फिरोज शाही, फतवा ए तिरोक फिरोज शाही. So this is the PYQ, okay. That fatwa, there was some different name given by fatwa or something like that. So F से fatwa, F से फिरोज, this you need to remember. Then कानून मसूदी, जोहरुल फिजूर, कमास. So it is all this thing. किताब फी तहकीकी, तहकीक, तहकीक, where is this तहकीक, right? तहकीक, it is al buruni. Tahqiq means all things should be searched. So it is that. Got it? Now when you will see this, see what are the things you got, right? Tariq, खजाना. So if it is a खजाना, खजाना किसके पास होता है भाई? खजाना होता है अमीर लोगों के पास. खजाना अमीर लोगों के पास होता है. तो दिस इज 2 3. नाउ तारीख है फिरोज, तारीख. So when you will see तारीख है फिरोज, तारीख है फिरोज, तारीख, तारीख है फिरोज. So do you find anything? तारीख है फिरोज, तारीख है फिरोज. हाँ, तारिक फिरोज शाह. फिरोज शाह was one of the main rulers of the Delhi Sultanate, right? So if he has any given Tariq, it should be Bada, right? So from that you can learn that, okay, it is something means that will get used, right? Okay. So yes, now let me write it for you so that you will be not be getting confused. So here I have placed one marker kind of thing, and here I will write the what it is saying. Okay, now see, uh, Tariq, फिरोज शाह का बड़ा बात है, जियाउद्दीन बरूनी। ठीक है, नाउ ख्वाजा उल्फतुत खजाना, आई विल इट इज खजाना, अमीर लोगों के पास होता है। के पास होता है तो इट इज अमीर खुसरो। Now match this. So if you match this 3 with 4, C with 4, C with 4. If you will match with C with 4, you have only one option. No, we have two options, C with 4, C with 4. But D with 3, D with 3. So we have only C. Now Futahat ul Firoz and Futuh ul Salatin. Okay. So see Futahat ul Firoz, F से फतुहत, F से फिरोज, तो B का 1, B का हो जाएगा 1, B का 1 हो गया। So we have mentioned it right. F से फतुह, F से फिरोज, F से फतुहत, 1 2 3। So we are gone right. फतुहत सलातीन, अब्दुल मलिक इसामी। Let us search Isami. I don't have Futahat ut Salatin. Here it is. It is about the Bahmani kingdom. Fatahat ut Salatin. So see, this also let us learn only, right? Because somewhere or other it will help you. So when you are saying Salatin, right? Salatin. Let us search the meaning of Salatin. Meaning, so when you will say it is something like Badshah kind of thing, right? Salatin, Badshah. Okay, so Isami, Salatin. What do we do to Badshah? Salam, remembered with Salatin, something like that. So this is also good, right? Got it. Now follow to the Salamin and Abdul Malik Islami. So 28 is good. Now what it is showing, that a person traveling a car with a closed window and a door is safe from the lightning strike. Okay. Actually the closed door behaves as a hollow tunnel. It is correct. See, yeah, it will bypass this thing. Electric field it will happen. Okay. So now, with reference to the Rhine River, you wrote which of the following is correct. Okay, so we need to study the Rhine River here. Okay, so let me add a place here, and we will go to the river Rhine. River Rhine, and everything details about it. But yes, I think that this discussion is pretty much good, but it is a bit slow. But when we will reiterate it, we will go fast. Means see, this is the main video, but when we will be reiterating it, right, we will be going up pretty much fast, and in that we will be trying to complete it. So how many minutes it has been? not sure, but yeah, let's complete this video in next 20 questions in I think 15 to 20 minutes, and then we will wind it up, and then just now we will be having a next session of 50 questions and which we will be tackling, so no worries. uh, let's PYQ, search for the PYQ cost, because when you will see, right, so everything which will be covered here. Okay, fine. So this is one UPSC PYQ question which it is there, and we will be solve this as well. So this will be give a pretty much better idea of how the things is being solved. Okay, now what we will do, we will go to Rhine River and check, okay, where it is being flowing, what is its origin, and where it is being where it is being originating is the main question. So here it is being originating. This is pretty much good, but yes, we need some more thing so that we can deep dive into. Is it is the 12th longest river of the world, the longest and western. Okay, Swiss Alps is the origin, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Australia, Germany, France, Netherlands before flowing into the North Sea in Rotterdam. Okay, Germany and France. Fine, fine. Okay, got it. So this is a pretty much important information which we got, and when you will see the longest river of Europe, which one is that? Longest river of Europe, longest river of Europe. Which is it? Which is it? No, I don't think so. River of the Alps. Okay, fine, fine. No, we are here. Just give me a minute, okay? I'm just exploring the Danube. I want to see the river it is flowing. Got it. This is a very typical and hard question, but yes, see, it will take time. Good things take time, so just bear with me. If you will bear right, see, when you will just go to the PDF, right, you will be having a much more better idea than today what you have. Okay, so see, so you don't know the Rhine River, right? So Rhine River started from this one. Now, when you will see this map seems to be not pretty much useful to you, but it is a very much useful app. So when you will see, right, so see Rhine River is going to North Sea, Rhone River is going to Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and it is the longest river of Ireland. But you will means ask me that why we have kept this one. So when you will see the UPSC PYQ question, then here you will realize that what it is happening. Okay, so when you will see all this, you must be pretty much sure that why this guy is putting this much effort on this. But let's solve this question. So when you will see this question, Danube, where will Danube go? Danube, Mediterranean Sea, Danube, Mediterranean, right, Rhine, North, okay, Rhone, not pretty much sure, right? Leave it, Lorry. Now, go to this app, go to this one, okay? Go to this. Now see Rhone, where it is. Rhone is in Mediterranean, Rhine, Danube. Okay, fine. My bad. Danube is in Black Sea, right? See the Black Sea is here. Black, Rhone, and Bay of Biscay. Where is Bay of Biscay? Anybody remember? No, right? Please, miss, write it in the comment section. Okay. Now, when you will see Danube is black. Danube is black. One ka two, A ka two, B ka one, B ka one. Rhone, Mediterranean, C ka four, and D ka three. So see, means this question resolves I think most of the European countries. And which is the longest one? So Danube is the no Vogla is the longest one. So when you will see it is the longest one. Okay. So this is done. Now when you will move to the next question, I think this is done. Let us mark it. Okay. Port of Rotterdam is in the mouth of the Rhine River is important part of the. So this is correct. So 330 both 1 and 2 is correct. Consider which of the stand with reference to Rudharma and choose other. Rudharma was the fourth independent ruler of the Kakatiya ruler of Warangal. Do you remember anything? I don't remember anything. She defeated the Pandyas of South and Tamil of the center of Devgiri. See, both 1 and 2 is correct. Rudharma. So, see, I am the इटली के निवासी मार्को बोला ने रुदर्मा की प्रासंगिक क्षमता की खुद प्रशंसा की. See, this question is out of my head, okay, and I don't know that whether this question is correct or not. So I think let's stop, okay. we will be continuing from question number 31 in the next video, and keep this video short. So 30 minutes means 30 questions in a video. 50 will be a pretty much more long, and this video will be becoming more comprehensive. So because we are discussing each and every questions, targeting the understanding part as well, so we will go 30 questions at a day, means in one video. Chalo, goodbye, have a good day.